Looking for a new way to customize your handmade candle business? Learn how to use FOREVER Waterslide to create custom candles. The Waterslide transfer paper and method is ideal for starting a DIY shop. Waterslide transfer media is used for transferring to heat-sensitive materials or uneven surfaces. Print your design using OKI Pro9541 WT, 5-color digital tone transfer printer. Maximize your production with oversized A3 printing. Print CMYK+White and press onto diverse materials. Profitability on personalized, short, and on-demand runs. Put the transfer paper on water for 30 seconds. The paper will roll up and you will be able to position it onto your candle. Slowly slide the paper material. Make sure that there's no bubble. Finally, let everything dry and wait for 3 hours so the adhesive is more durable before selling or packing your candles for shipment. Ideal for gift items that will absolutely be unique to the market and sell your products in high profits. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.